nominated Karen for a Shine Award because of the hours voluntary work that she does, helping the community, people of all ages and all abilities. She helps people if they just want to use IT for social interaction, contacting family members, but she also supports people looking for work. Karen first came into the centre in 2008. She came in as a student and completed one of our advanced IT courses. She was a star pupil, and from that we encouraged her to be a volunteer at the centre. And from that she's gone from strength to strength. She started helping people on a one-to-one basis with IT that runs at the centre twice weekly now, and she now runs a computer workshop at our sister shop.
We're running an online course at the moment which teaches them internet safety, how to use a keyboard, a mouse, how to get an email address, apply for jobs online, public services online, even search family history online. There's lots for them to learn.
The difference is with Karen, there's nothing, no questions looked as though you should know that or things like that, and it becomes as though you're talking to a friend on anything that you're to do with IT, as well as any other subject.
She just works with people on an individual one-to-one basis, so I found her very helpful.
The difference is with Karen is that there's no motive at the end of it. She generally seems to think and help people or want to help you personally.
I've asked her about certain little bits of information that I might not know or have any kind of PC knowledge, and she's actually put herself out in her own time and kind of guided me through a few technical kind of things that I might need to know.
It all started 3 years ago when I was asked to help a couple of elderly people who'd been on a course and wanted to learn a bit more. And it's just progressed from there, really. We run 3 classes a week now over 2 centres, and it's getting busier and busier, running online courses. Well, we've had some come for about a year, some you only see for a few weeks, some are looking for jobs. You're never sure if you're going to see them from one week to the next. Sometimes it's good that you don't see them because it means they have got themselves a job and you've helped them get there.
She's helped lots and lots of people in the past 3 or 4 years, but is constantly advertising to attract new members of the community.
We're absolutely thrilled that Karen's received this award, and it's absolutely fitting for all the work that she's done in the community.
As far as the award's concerned, I'm really happy and pleased that I was nominated for it, and it shows that I am doing something useful in the community.